Hi everyone, welcome to another linear algebra tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to find the component form of a vector. Here are some examples on how we can find the component form of a vector. And let's go through these examples to get a feel of how we can find a component form of a vector. For the first one, which is the vector from 2, 1 to 4, 2 in R2, first things, we identify the initial point and terminal point, as you can see over here. So the initial point is 2, 1, terminal point 4, 2, which is the final point. So to visualize, you can draw the point. So 2, 1 is the point over here, and 4, 2 is the point. So it's from here to here. So that's like a simple line graph. So you want to find the component form. We minus the terminal point minus initial point. So the x-coordinate of the terminal point is 4, and the y-coordinate of the terminal point is 2, and the initial x-coordinate of the initial point is 2, and the y-coordinate of the initial point is 1. So it's final x-coordinate minus initial x-coordinate, and then the final y-coordinate minus the initial y-coordinate. It will give me 2, 1. The questions can also ask us like, find the canonical name for this vector. So we have already derived the component form, or also known as a canonical name, and we get 2, 1. So let's go through the second example from 3, 3 to 2, 5. As you can see, again we identify the initial point. So the initial point is 3, 3, turning point is 2, 5. So we do the line plotting again from here to here. So hence, what's the component form of the vector? The same thing, final x-coordinate minus the initial x-coordinate, and the final y-coordinate minus the initial y-coordinate will give me -1 and 2. So let's go through another 2 examples. So if you were to notice, in this example, we are given in x, y, and z coordinates in 3 dimension, but now we already, from the first 2 examples, we have already gotten a visualization of how to do it. So the same thing, we just identify initial point and terminal point. Initial point is this, terminal point is this. So the same thing, component form of the vector, you get the initial x, the final x coordinate minus the initial x coordinate, and then the final y coordinate minus the initial y coordinate. Final z coordinate minus the initial z coordinate will give me 4, 0, minus 3. And now let's go through the last one. So same thing, initial point, initial point is this, from this to this. This is your terminal point. So we got this component form again, which is this. We have now come to the lesson of the linear algebra tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I will reply to your queries as soon as possible. Thank you.